seen this beautiful landscape? Well, it's étant des forges.
Who wouldn't dream of being able to eat or play sports with this view? If only there was a building that can bring these two things together.
We asked the same question, Yuvat, and the solution was simply to create our own building.
We also opted for a compact form of this building to reduce thermal bridges as much as possible.
We have chosen a green roof to recreate a part of water infiltration and the green part of the land lost due to the construction of this building.
This roof terrace allows to accommodate an additional restoration space in high season. A multi-gym on the ground floor, allowing to everyone practice sports.
Having these two separate entries allow each part to be used independently. This original nautical base will therefore accept a climbing room, a changing room, a multi-activity room of 280 square meters, modulable according to need, a technical room, and a restoration area on the floor.
It will also offer a bike rental service.
The orientation of the building has been designed so that the sun contribution is maximum to limit heating costs.
We plan concerned in the south and east to take advantage of the morning temperature to refresh the building and have the sun in the afternoon and more closed facade on the north side.
The terrace, which is oriented east-west, will benefit from the sun all the afternoon and the end of the day, because it's the time and the most frequented place of the base.
It also allows, in summer, the cooling of interior of the nautical base with the current air from the lake. On its own, our project represents a surface of 450 square meters, a space that will allow you to think big.
Indeed, the étant des forges in Belfort is the perfect place for a structure. In effect, we are on the edge of the city, but also in a rural setting. You will also appreciate the proximity with the shops and the quiet of the countryside.
A campsite is present at this lake, which could offer an additional clientele to your restoration space. This place has everything to please you.
The whole base building is not accessible to people with mobility reduced, so that's why we integrate a ramp to allow everybody to access this place, and also to make in the future outdoor events.
It is therefore with a great pleasure and a certain impatience that we will meet in this nautical base in a few months.